Hallo friends of us. Ja, u zult wel denken, maar dat kan met je geen reet schelen. Today it is Saturday, 11 January 2014, and I'm in a train from Amsterdam to Nijmegen to visit my mother. But today it is a bit rainy, so I put on my rain trousers and my raincoat, and it's still cold, so I also put on a warm coat. Yes, that's more comfortable. And this week I brought the correct book. A week ago I brought the wrong book. We are going in a tunnel. Do you still see me? Oh yes, of course you still see me because there is light here. Okay, some water to drink. And I have some milk cookies to eat. And for my mother I brought some salty cookies. Okay, I have some more reading about Amsterdam. Okay, I think you saw enough. Bye bye friends of ours. Yes, so many people in the train. Wow, it's so crowded. I could almost not find a space to sit. Yes. So, yes, I know I said bye-bye friends of class, but sometimes I say something and I'm not completely serious. I am such a funny joker.